Indian Railway Bonus Order 2024 PDF. Dated the 4th of October 2024. Payment of productivity-linked bonus to all eligible non-gazetted railway employees for the financial year 2023-24. The President is pleased to sanction productivity-linked bonus, PLB, equivalent to 78 days wages without any ceiling on wages for eligibility for the financial year 5023-24 to all eligible non-gazetted railway employees, excluding all RPF, RPSF personnel. Where wages exceed 7,000 rupees per month, productivity-linked bonus will be calculated as if the wages are 7,000 rupees p.m. More detailed on centralgovernmentnews.com.